Block wall repairs are great DIY projects. Today, I'll show you some block laying basics so that you can make small repairs, and with some practice, even bigger projects too. I'll show you the step-by-step process, all the tools and supplies I use so that you can make repairs on some block walls. My block wall is missing the top course, and the second course is loose, and some of the mortar is missing. I suspect that it was from a branch that used to be on this tree. Here's my plan and the steps involved for my project today. The first step to get started is going to be to prepare the wall for repairs. For that, I'm going to remove all of the loose block and the loose mortar. All of the old block have been removed, and I've got all of the mortar removed. All right, my next step is going to be to mix up the mortar. I'm using the type S mortar. This already has everything that we need in there. Pre-measured, pre-blended, and pre-engineered. We're going to mix this with some water to the consistency of thick oatmeal. I am not a professional block mason, although I did work for one for about a year. If any of you are professional block masons, maybe you can give us some tips down in the comment about what consistency we're going for here, but this looks pretty good to me. All right, the mortar is all mixed up. Now it's time to lay the block into place. So a couple of thoughts here. Normally you would stretch a string across so that you can lay the block. My block wall is so small, I'm going to use my level. For my mortar board, I've got an old piece of OSB that I'm going to use. One of the tools that you're definitely going to need is you're going to need a mason's trowel here. This thing is probably going to run you about 50 bucks for a good one. That's pretty much the only supplies you're going to need for this kind of repair, so I do suggest you spend some money and get a good one. This one's a Marshalltown. To get started, we're going to get some mud and we're going to put the mortar on the wall. We're going to put it down both sides. So for that, we're going to use our trowel, get some mortar on there, give it a smack so that gravity holds that mortar on place. And let's put it on the wall. I'm going to show you the technique that I use. I like to work backwards because I think it's a little easier. I'm going to put my trowel here at a 45. I'm going to start at the tip and I'm going to turn and drag backwards and peel that mortar right off onto the wall. Block masons who do this every day are really good at this. As you can see, I am not a professional, so it's okay if you're not a professional either. Just get the mud on the wall similar to the way that I have it. Lord knows mine's not perfect. All right, now I'm gonna lay my first block into place. Better to start a little high and work your way down. Number 2. You want to make sure you're getting level this way and that all of your lines are lining up here. Now I'm going to start my top course. Another way to do these heads is to put it on the block before you put it up there. That might be a little more beginner friendly. And next we need to deal with these mortar lines. First I'm gonna brush all the lines, brush the excess off, but I'm gonna try not to leave any gaps. I'm gonna kind of use circular motions. And now we're gonna point all of these bed lines. We're gonna take our striker and get some mud on there. And we're working up the cream, kind of like a concrete flat work. And we're gonna work our way down all of these lines. And then we're gonna do these heads along the top. You wanna use the heel of the striker tool, not the toe. If you use that tip, it's gonna dig out all of your mortar. All right, I'm gonna brush in circles, knock off all the extra mortar, and then I'll go finish off the neighbor's side, and when I'm done, we'll look at the finished product. Here are the before and after pictures of my block wall project. Now my block wall is all repaired. I fixed the loose block on the second row, and I've replaced the missing block along the top. What do you guys think about this project? Leave a comment and let me know. I think it looks just fine, and I think if you take your time, you can do a good job too. I'm glad you watched, and I hope you'll watch again.